Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss a common problem statement which I have seen multiple times interviewer ask at the time of interview once he is interviewing a data engineer or a data science guy or a data analyst or even a BI developer as well. And the problem statement is something where we need to use the Windows functions and we have the we should have the knowledge about the Windows functions like row number, like dense rank, like rank, and there are multiple more. But why I am giving only these three options right now? Because we are going to use one of these into our today's problem statement. The problem statement is also very common. You might have seen multiple times in the multiple channels as well, might be into the might be at the Google, might be at the interview questions at any of the website or into the YouTube videos as well. But what I am going to discuss it today, I am going to discuss it in a bit different way, that you do not need to give me the top three highest earner of that department or of that company, but what I am looking for, I am looking for give me top three highest earner and unique salaries from the each department. And once I am saying that top three unique higher earners means their salary should be unique, and top three means if someone is having, let's give me a sec, let's open a Excel, and what I will do here, I will just let you know what I want to convey here. Suppose we are having A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are seven pupils we are having. Okay. And suppose we are having from a single department, which is IT. We are learning for the IT, then just I'm taking the IT. Okay. And suppose we are having here the salary like 10,000. Here we are having 12,000. Here we are having 8,000. Then again 12,000. Then 11,000. Then 18,000. And then again 12,000. Okay. This is what our salary structure is. Now, if I will ask you, give me the top three salaries. So what you will do? You will give me 18,000, you will give me 12,000, and you will provide me 11,000 as well. But what I am looking for? I am looking for something which will give me 18,000, then 12,000, then again 12,000, then again 12,000, and then 11,000. This is what I am expecting. And how we are going to deal, why I am expecting this one, because the uh, business wants to see that how many pupils are there who is earning at the same salary, and they also need to look what are the top three salaries we are providing. If I will give this value, so there are only two salaries, 18,000 and 12,000, but they are interested to know that what are the top three unique salaries we are giving. So that's why I'm getting this one. And also they are looking one, they are looking to get answered that how many employees are getting the same salary. Suppose if we are having the 18,000 here, and someone is also getting the 18,000. So in the highest salary, we are giving 18,000 to the 2%. Also the same 12,000 we are giving to the 3% and 11,000 to the 1%. Now, how we can achieve it? Not thinking in the SQL way, just think in a very different way, that how we can achieve it. So let's suppose if I'm if I let's sort it out first. Let's give a name as column A, column B, column C, and let's sort it out. smallest to largest. Okay. Now suppose what I want. I am looking for something which can provide me this data to me. How I can get it? So what I will do, and I have to take the top three salaries, and then how would I know? And also right now it's only the IT department, and I'm looking for that in every department, how many in every department I am looking for that it will give me the top three salaries from the each and every department. So what I will do, I will let me do one thing. Let me do it here and make it as finance. You will understand it right away. And now let's add 500 to each. Fair enough. Now we are having two different salaries. And suppose here I'm also removing these names and giving name as A1, B1, C1, D1. Sorry, my bad. Now, if I will ask you, just give me the top three salaries from each department, then how would you do it? If you will just do the do this part, then here are here are the salaries: 18,500, 18,000, 12,500, and how you will distinguish which department which have the which ID. We have to look into it. So what we will do, from my sense, what I'm thinking, the idea, what we will do, we will just do A to Z, then column C, sorry, my bad, column C, smallest to largest. Now what I will do, I will just give a number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. If I will do in this way, then I can assume that 5, 4, 4, 4, 3 are the top three salaries. And the same I will do with here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 5. Now if I will elect only the 5, 4, 4, 3, only these three IDs from each and every department, then it will give me the top three unique salaries, right? The same approach we are going to deal with in our SQL query as well. So now let's jump into the code and let's see it how we can do it. Okay, let's open it out. So for the sake of the time, actually I've already taken approx 8-9 minutes just to illustrate this one, but I think to understand the problem statement is fairly required to solve any of the problem statement, because that is the something which you will understand it, then you can solve the multiple problem statements with the similar kind of approach, and might be you think in a very different way as well. So let's I have created all these queries just to save the time. Let's run it. I have just created two tables. One is the employee and one is the department, where we are having these data set is available. I will provide you these data sets and these queries in my description, so you guys can utilize it. So without wasting any time, let's run the code. Now we are having two tables created. Department. Let's see the department first. So we are having 1 to 10. 10 departments we are having: IT, sales, HR, whatever it is right now here. And again, we are having select star from employee. Here we go. We are having all the employees with their department IDs are available here. So in this table, we are having ID of the employee, name of the employee, salary, and the department ID. And in the department table, we are having right now ID of the department and that department name. So we are looking for a query which will give me the top three unique salary from each department with their department name. Top three salaries with the employee name, department name, and their salary. Top three unique salaries I am looking for. So let's check one thing. Uh, let's do one thing. Let's do the select statement. Select what I'm looking for. I'm looking for name. Let's do one thing. Select a star from hash employee. What I'm looking for now. I'm looking for name. I'm looking for salary from this table. And yes, I think that is it. These two things I am looking from this. Now, what I will do, what we are looking for, as I have described in my Excel, that we need some numbers here. Like here, I have given you some numbers, right? These numbers we are looking for, and then we can utilize it in our where condition. So let's create that numbers now. So let's do uh, dense rank. Dense rank we will use here, and what it will do, wherever it will find the same number, it will just give the same row number to it, and then in the next iteration it will jump to the next number. Like suppose if we are having here 1 2 3 4 4 4 4 times 3 times 4 is coming because it's finding the same number here. So this is something which we are looking for. So dense rank will help us to do that part. Now we have to do one thing. It will give this number. But how it will give this number? We have to use the over. Means dense rank will work on which data? So dense rank will work on over. And now we have to do a partition. Means here what we have done a partition on the column B, right? In the finance, it has been started from 1 to 5, and then for the second department it again started from the 1. So we have partitioned it through the finance or IT, means through the column B, which is the department for us. So let's go there, over partition by. Now think, we are not having the department here. So what we will do, let's join that, join as department, giving the name D. Okay. And how we can join it? I have already told you that we are having the department ID available in the employee column in the employee table. So let's join on that part. E dot department ID equals to T dot ID. Okay. Now partition by what? Partition by D dot name, because whatever the name is available in the department table, department name, that is something which we are looking for. And then we have to give a order by, means in which sequence it will do. Likewise, we have given here, it has been going through with the, we have done the rank order by, means we have sorted the data through column C, which is the salary here. And we have, what we have done, we have sorted it out through ascending order, means from lower to higher side. But what we are looking for, we are looking the top three salaries. So what we will do in the practical, we will just reverse it back. We will do it from the higher to lower. So let's jump there now. Order by E dot salary, and then descending as cell rank. Okay, what I'm giving here as the cell rank I'm giving. Now these are the ambiguous names, so let's solve it out first. So we are having here d dot name, so d dot name, department name we are looking for, then salary is something fine. Okay, so give it name as department name, and yeah, and also I have told you that I need the employee name as well, so just give the e dot name as employee name. Okay, now let's check once. Now it has created the salary rank 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 4. Let me show you something here. So here you can find in the IT we are having 2 2 is coming twice because it's having the same salary. So that is something which we are looking for, right? Now I have to give only top 3 unique salaries. So let's do this piece of code in a CTE. I'm giving a name as salary rank. We have found it out here. So just giving a name as salary rank and then closing it out here. Now let's select star from. Why is having here error? Because we have not closed it out here. Now it will work. Now I am not looking if I will run it. Okay, let's do one thing. Where cell rank in on we are only looking for first, second, and third ID, right? Third rank. These are the only three ranks we are looking for. And then we will just, for a good feel, good look, we will just make a order by the department name and cell rank. But let's see one thing here. What I've done by mistake, I have clicked on something. But what we are looking here, incorrect syntax. Where is the incorrect syntax? Wait a moment. From join. Oh, I have not. By mistake, I have done something wrong. I think the join condition on join condition has been removed. So let's do it right away. E dot department ID equals to d dot ID. Let's run it now. Okay, these are the top 3 salaries from the each department we are finding. But I am not looking for this salary rank. Okay, so what I will do, rather than giving here star, what I will do, I will just give here mm, department name. But before that, I need employee name. Department name, and salary. Now let's run it. Okay. Now for the better understanding, I am just giving you one more filter condition I am giving here, and department name equals to IT. I'm just looking for this one. Let's do one thing, and that Here we go. Department name is 90,000, 85,000, 85,000, and 70,000. This is something which we are getting, right? Now, let's see one more thing. We are having IT with the IT having the department ID is 1. So let's do quickly where department ID equals to 1. So here we are having 5 records, right? So let's run it now. These two queries in a single. So we are having 85,000, 90,000, 69,000, 85,000, and 70,000. But we are only showing 90,000, 85,000, 85,000, and 70,000. We are not showing the 69,000. Here we can say we are having the 4 rows, but we are having the top 3 unique salaries. And also the salaries which has been repeated, that is coming twice or thrice, whatever the times it is available into the data set. And I have just sorted the data for the sake of understanding. But if you will remove this part, you can see the whole data for each and every department. Now, here is one question which I think you guys try to solve it. Why we have not used row number or rank here? Or if you can solve it in using the row number or rank, just try to use it and try to do it in a different way. Might be you have some better idea which I have not discussed here, but yes, but please make sure that you will practice it out. And I'm pretty much sure if you will go through with this problem statement one more time and these kind of problem statements, then it will surely going to help you out and you will never stuck in these type of questions. Hope it helps. So keep learning, keep growing. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.